Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gundam channel from the Philippines. Yes, and now we will gonna unbox a gunpla kit. So this is the gunpla Destiny Gundam Revived version. Yes, this is the whole box. As you can see, I bought it from toy shop near near here in my neighborhood. So this is the box. This is this is the kit itself when it's painted. Okay. The action poses. It comes with this wing effect, and also in the hands palm. Uh, what do you call this? Palm of Fiocina. Okay, the gimmicks, waist, the shoulder gimmicks, the weapons, the beam shield, this side, the other side. It's written here. It's just the history of Destiny Gundam. Okay. Okay. It's unrevived version. Okay. It's pretty big box, pretty chunky. So let's open it. It okay. This is the runners. Okay. This is the wing effect, and the wing part. Also, surprisingly, it has so many parts inside for a HG kit. So this is the last one. So inside it comes with this assembly instructions, the manual, and nothing else. Okay, so let's set aside. This is the manual, the armaments, the weapons. Okay, released from 2019. At the back, action poses. Okay. I love this kit because more than the RG. The RG has a chunky foot than this HG. I love the proportions of this kit. As you can see, very slick. So let's open up this plastic. First plastic. Okay. With this is the runner B1 with the head, shield, and this one is the part from the sword, the skirt, the the legs, shoulders, beam boomerang, shoulders again. Okay. Next is the C1 runner, the beam rifle, the palm hands with open palm hands, the closed fist, okay, the joints, the collar part, vents, okay, second plastic, I don't have my exacto knife, so I'll just break the plastic. So this runner contains, it has wing part, side skirt parts, and shield parts. This is runner D1. This is the runner D2. It has the parts for the mega launch, mega, what do you call that? Uh, the big beam rifle. The big beam rifle. So third plastic. Right. It's hard to. The plastic is very thick. This is the runner B2. Doubles with this part. This is the runner B2, double with this part. Okay. The leg. And this is runner C2. Runner C2 doubles with this, I think, this part. Double with this part. C2, and this is runner C1, double with this part. Okay. Next plastic number 4. Comes with polycaps. Okay. Next runner is wing effect with the beam saber effect, then beam boomerang effect. So, and then runner E2. This is part for the wings and the foot. And then the last, not least, the last plastic comes with runner E1. This is runner E1. Okay, comes with this. It's still a wing part. I think it doubles with E2. Yeah. Without this, it doubles this part. Okay. It contains wings and foot again, and then the last runner A. It contains the chest, the V fin, the sword, the beam shield effect and the what do you call that again? I forgot. Palma Fiotina effect. Shoulders, the backpack, the wrist armor. Okay, so it has, let's count it. The one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11 runners. Came with 11 runners, so it's pretty. So this is the stickers. Comes with uh, eyes and the head camera. It's pretty big, chunky kit inside out of the box. So there you have it, the unboxing of the HGCE Destiny Gundam Revive version. So please let me know what you think, and then I will review when I finish this kit. Please comment down below if you have any suggestions. So I will build this kit. So please like and subscribe to my channel. It's Gunbay channel. So thank you guys for watching and see you soon.